So came back earlier and found this section pretty wet, but in the end it dried. So I went ahead and got some coring. Had to buy some just for this little part, but it is what it is. Got this section of glass all faired out with some sanding filler. I'm gonna wait on this toe rail one more night, let that dry in the sun, and bake tomorrow. I hit it with a heat lamp a couple times. A heat gun a couple times, and probably gonna do that one more time. But tomorrow's the day for coring the glass either way. And cut this little section out too. Wasn't too bad. It was a crack here though, and definitely got some water in there. But looks like it dried up okay, and isn't laminated or anything. So I don't think I gotta cut any more than that. But that's what I pretty much accomplished today, and tomorrow I can basically ferret all the edges on this repair and give that up top a good sand up here, and ferret this edge out as well and get that ready for glass and coring, etc. So fun times. I will see you tomorrow.